Hello, friends. I was supposed to be shown in that little circle down there, and I don't see me. Maybe one of y'all can tell me why my camera's not working. All right, so in this activity, you're going to be working with a online interactive tool called Visnos. You can see the website right there. And it's going to start you out with this fractal. The whole point of this activity is just to allow you to sort of play with fractals and see what changes when you mess with the variables, okay? So this says variables right here. When you click on it, they're all going to be set like this, okay? And all I want you to do is just play with them, okay? Mess around, change some things, see if you can figure out what parts are changing when you mess with particular parts. Look at that one. That's an important one. Iterations. So this would be one iteration. So it's like you've just drawn the first part of the pattern. Okay, now let's watch what happens when I repeat it on the edges. Boom. Okay, now we're going to repeat it. I'm going to change it to 3. Ooh, if it'll let me. Okay, so iteration 1 was the red one. Iteration 2 was the light green. Iteration 3 was this, what do you want to call that, teal? Okay, let's look at iteration 4, and then we go crazy and go all the way over there. Okay, so each one of those colors is a different iteration or a repetition of that same pattern on the end of that pattern, if that makes sense. So just play with them, figure out what happens when you change the different parts. Ooh, branches, I don't love that. Start length. Some of these things I don't even know what it means. Okay, well now I'm seeing what start length means, right? You'll notice, see how the red one, that was the first one, it's changing the length. Let's look at length multiplier. Oh, look at what that does. Okay, and then start width. So this should probably change the width of the red line. Am I right? Oh, there we go. Width multiplier. Let's see what it does. Oh my goodness. Okay, so once you've kind of played with this tool, the ultimate goal is for you to create a fractal. Okay? You're going to create your fractal however you like it. Okay? And then, oh my goodness, that's amazing. Look at that. Once you've gotten your fractal how you want it, you are going to take a snippet. That's what I call it. I don't know what y'all call it. A snippet of your fractal. Now, my computer is different than yours. I hope you can see these tools down here. A snippet, it's basically like taking a clipping of that picture. Maybe for y'all, it's a screenshot or something. But on my computer, you can do a snipping. And the reason I like that is because, check this out, I don't have to take a picture of the whole screen. I can just get that part. On your computer, it's going to be different. So part of your challenge, part of your productive struggle today will be to figure out how to take a snippet. If you call it something else, let me know what you call it, and I'll start using that language. So I've got my little snippet or my little picture of just the part that I want in my fractal. I'm going to copy it. Okay. And then you are going to go to your Google Drive. So let me get over here to my Google Drive. I'm going to look right there for what I call the waffle. I don't even know why I call that a waffle, y'all, but I do call it a waffle. And we're going to go over here. We're going to add a Google Doc. You just need a blank piece of paper, I guess. I mean, it's not really paper, is it? Now, I'm going to paste my image there. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Edit. Again, this may be completely different on a Chromebook. Oh, there's my fractal. There we go. Now you've got a copy of the fractal that you made. Now what you're going to immediately need to do is label this file. So I want it to be your name, fractal. So let's say you're Bob. Okay, Bob's fractal. Boom. And you're going to immediately share it with Miss Briscoe. Check it out. BBRISCOE. That's me, Bryn Briscoe. Share it with me. Okay. And make sure that you change this restricted to anyone with a link, if that's what yours looks like. And done. Then, at my convenience, I shall print it out for you in color. All right, so this link, hopefully, if I do what I'm supposed to do, is going to be in your active learning cycle rubric, either above where you came, how you got to this video, or below it. All right, have fun creating fractals.